I don't think it'd be worth bothering.
It used to flower, but then it seemed to stop. And that's when I wasn't sure. I was thinking, has it gone?
There's a little bit of life in it there, but that's about it.
Yeah. See, I hate touching them because I just don't know.
Oh, there's a little bit of life in there if it was just but it's just a bit. I tell you what, just leave that with me.
Yeah.
And I'll maybe put it into another pot or something.
And see if you can revive them, because he's not.
That might be the better way of doing it.
I just was, as I say, it used to be really nice.
Wants to go in it. She might have got one very similar.
Yeah.
See what I mean?
It used to be really, really nice if it's.
This is what you have to watch. Blooming. Look at the mealy bug on that. It's a Fleming menace. Some of these are looking a bit dry, but I mean the body will look, but you can't do any more than water them, pet, and that's it, isn't it? That one flowered, yeah. And that one flower's finished now. And the flowers are finished on that, and there's just fruit coming on now. So already up, the old fruit is on there. Right. The best thing to do then.
How do you transplant?
Oh, you want to put that? I'll tell you what I'll do though. I'll put it into another pot.
I was going to say, I bought some.
I think it would be better in a. I think it might be better in a.
I have bought some pots back.
Oh, yeah. But I'll tell you what.
Big.
I'll let you know near the time. I have got that. That bit of moss is just a fat. So what I'll do is I'll just take the what do you call it out. Excuse me, grab up there. Oh. It's come out into the gravel, you know.
I think it's big.
Oh, the whole thing is.
Oh no! Oh, that's what is this? It's a plastic sheet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Completely.
I sometimes wonder.
God.
You know, something, I think it might be better to plant
them all up.
Move the whole thing just as one, because it's a specimen like such the way these are. You see.
Yeah.
You know, you get some. You
Move them out
to
of
grind
the.
together in a pot. You know.
Yeah. Move them out of the terrarium, you think?
Move them out of this unless you want to put another one in it.
No, it's all right. It's just, as I say, it's just I thought they were getting too big for it. That's all. I didn't want to. I just assumed you'd be able just to.
Hell.
God, no, she stuck it to the bottom. Watch your fingers. That's all. As I heard.
I should have put my gloves on.
Watch yourself.
Okay, my bloody self. Tell you what I'll do. I'll just put my bloody gloves on. Just give us a minute. It's actually, you wouldn't believe it, Pet, but it's actually, it's glued into that.
Oh, I've got them separated.
Yeah.
God, you wouldn't have thought that, would you? A bit of plastic.
And it's bloody,
So that,
you see that? It's even stapled into the bloody thing with, so it can't, so they couldn't come out.
you would never thought they would have
That's hellish when you think, innit?
think that.
I don't know what
So would they have actually stopped growing eventually because they'd have run out of...
well, they'd clammed the bloody top one. Oh, aye, eventually.
Eventually they'd have just
They don't,
sink because
because they don't.
they've got no soil hardly.
I mean, do you want something else put into there?
No, it's alright. It's just, I just wanted to make sure they had plenty of room.
No, I can plant something else into there.
Depends if you've got anything that
You know, that can put that back into there. I'll plant it up first though. We can plant that up in a minute. Right, isn't it? The little granules.
Right.
Oh, now then, let's see. What do you want to do? Do you want to just make two, or just put them all together?
Well, what's the best way of them surviving?
Oh, they'll go on for years if they're out in a pot. You know what I mean? If you plant it together like that,
Yeah.
because you think there's not a great lot of root in them, you know. There never is. Put them. So we could put them together in a slightly bigger pot, eh? Right. Let's still have to get the two. to get
Get a hold of them.
to get them. Unless I plant them sort of. I could do it that way, couldn't I? Right. Let's just move things around a little.
Yeah.
Put that there for a minute. Right. I think the best thing to do, put a bit of compost in the bottom,
Yeah, because it's going to be raised up a little bit.
like that. I've got to get them into the pot, you see, like that.
And that guy at the
And that little fella he's just going with it. Oh, we'll have to just have to use it for that to put it.
yeah, sure.
Do it. Once I get them sorted like that.
Then